Brooding management is the most critical stage in the life of day-old chicks, especially during the first 7 days. Proper temperature, hygiene, nutrition, and disease prevention during this period help reduce early mortality and ensure healthy growth. On the first day of brooding, the temperature should be maintained at around 95 degrees Fahrenheit at chick level. Proper temperature helps chicks adapt quickly and prevents chilling or heat stress. Chicks should spread evenly under the brooder, which indicates correct temperature. If chicks crowd together, it means they are cold, and if they move away from the heat source, it indicates overheating. During the first day, chicks experience stress due to hatching, handling, and transportation. To overcome shipping or transport stress, vitamin C and dextrose should be provided in drinking water. Vitamin C helps reduce stress, while dextrose provides quick energy and improves chick vitality. Clean and fresh water must be available at all times. From the 3rd to the 5th day, special attention should be given to E. coli infection management. E. coli infection commonly occurs due to poor sanitation, contaminated water, or weak immunity. Affected chicks may show diarrhea, weakness, pasted vents, and poor growth. During this period, good hygiene is essential, and drinking water must be clean and disinfected. For E. coli control, appropriate antibiotics may be used under veterinary guidance, along with vitamins and electrolytes to support recovery. Probiotics can also help maintain gut health and improve digestion. Good brooding management includes dry litter, proper ventilation without direct drafts, regular cleaning of feeders and drinkers, and close observation of chick behavior. With correct temperature, timely medication, and proper care during the first week, chicks develop strong immunity and perform better throughout their growing period. If this video is helpful, please like and share it. Leave your questions or feedback in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel for more veterinary and farming videos. Thank you.